video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find vertical and horizontal asymptotes of rational functions when you're given the graph. Before we get started, go ahead and pause the video and copy this down. Welcome back! As you can see in this picture, it shows you exactly what a horizontal asymptote looks like. So it goes, left and right. And what a vertical asymptote looks like, it goes up and down. Asymptotes are imaginary lines where the curve gets close but never crosses over. So looking at this example right here, as you can see, my vertical asymptote goes through -2 on the x-axis. My horizontal asymptote goes through the number 1 on the y-axis. So every time you're writing the equation of a vertical asymptote, it's always x equals whatever number it equals. In this case, it's -2. Whenever you are writing the equation of a horizontal asymptote, it's always y equals whatever number it goes through. In this case, it's 1. Let's look at this first example. Here's an example of a graph. They're not going to draw in the asymptotes, so you need to draw it in for yourself, okay? For my vertical asymptote, do you think I would draw it right here? No, because it cannot cross the curve, all right? Will I draw it over here? No, it cannot cross through that curve. Now, could I draw my vertical asymptote right here? Absolutely, because it does not cross over any of those curves. What number did it go through on the x-axis? 3. So my vertical asymptote will be x equals 3. All right, now let me draw my horizontal asymptote. Can I draw it like that? Nope, because it goes through that curve. Could I draw it right here? Absolutely, because it does not cross over that curve, the red curve. So what number did it go through on the y-axis? 1. So then it'll be y equals 1. Let's do another example. My vertical asymptote, as you can see, I'm going to have 2 of them. I'm going to have one right here at -5. And I'm going to have another one at 4. Horizontally, as you can see, it gets close but never crosses through right here. And that's going to be at -0.5. And it's not 0, because if I actually try to draw it through 0, you'll see it's going to cross right there. All right, let's look at this last example. I have 2 vertical asymptotes, one right here, and that's x equals -3. And another one right here at x equals 2. Horizontally, I have a horizontal asymptote right about here. And that will be at y equals 0. And that's it.